Assalamu alaikum students of 7th class. This is Ahmed. Welcome to the 14th video lecture of class 7 English. If you open your books to page number 16, we have this topic here, uh, learning about language C1 pronouns. Now what are pronouns? If you look at this green box here, it says that a pronoun, as you know, stands for a person or a thing. Pronouns can be singular or plural, and some, as shown in the table above, have different forms for object, subject and object. Like the for subject, I, you, he, she, it. Plural for the subject will be we, you, and they. And for object, singular pronouns will be me, you, him, her, or it. And for the plural, instead of me we can use us, and you and them. And are given this activity, we have to find which pronouns are singular and which of them are plural. Like the first one here is each, it's singular. Everyone is singular. And again, both is plural, all is plural, none is singular, and nobody is singular, one is singular, those is plural, some is also plural, and this is plural, other is plural, and another is singular, and these is singular too. No one is singular, and that is singular too. Open your books to page number 16 and solve this activity. Here you can also copy the exercise, solution of the exercise from your given worksheets. And until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.